Jasdeep goes over and makes contact with our suspect, and then you'll see them walking back over towards the building. He's got this trash bag in his hand. As Jeep walks up to the building, pause it, get a photo of our suspect. And you'll continue to walk up the ramp. You'll put down the trash bag, and you'll see right there, he pulls out a firearm. He then enters the business. Unfortunately, there's no cameras inside of the business, so we have no video surveillance inside. At 9/11, the back door opens. You'll see the suspect come out, and you'll see the firearm. And then it also appears that Jasdeep and Amandeep are zip tied behind their backs. Jasdeep and Amandeep are put in the back seat of the pickup truck. All right, so that was 9:13 when the vehicle left. It's now 9:19. The truck is back. Same suspect gets out of the vehicle, goes back inside the business. Less than a minute later, you're going to see Jasleen and Arohi come out of the business unrestrained. And you'll see the truck leave southbound Highway 59 right before the video ends. From this point on, we no longer see any of the 4 victims on video at the location, or the suspect vehicle, or the suspect. At that point, we assigned all of our detectives, including our investigations bureau,